So welcome everyone. Let's look at what has happened in the crypto markets in the past week. All the crypto tokens were trading positively. If we look at Bitcoin's chart, Bitcoin bounced back sharply from its support levels at $20,000 and it now currently testing its resistance at $22,000. Now the thing to see here is that whether it's able to break its resistance at $22,000, because then the next resistance is placed right at $30,000. However, breaking this resistance is not going to be easy for Bitcoin. As we can see, the buying volumes at these levels are not that great compared to the selling volumes that we saw last month. Looking at this 200-day moving average along with Bitcoin's price, we can see that Bitcoin is now currently trying to retest its 200-day moving average, which is also at $22,000. Bitcoin's RSI is now below 45. Every time Bitcoin's RSI has fallen below 45, it has started its consolidation and bull run from that point. We can see it happened in 2012 and 2015 at these precise levels which are marked in red. So this cycle, which has repeated 3 times, we may see a 4th iteration of the same. So a close watch over Bitcoin's RSI and its resistance levels is necessary for the next week, which will decide the short-term course of action in Bitcoin's price. This user also rightly pointed out that Bitcoin is not able to break 50 RSI since last March. It got rejected from it 5 times, and if it can break its 50 RSI mark this time, that will be positive for Bitcoin's price action. And while Bitcoin's price was trying to test its 200-day moving average, Ethereum was running a new story altogether. Ethereum's token was up by almost 50% in the last week, and the reason is the upcoming Ethereum 2.0 update. Ethereum's 9th shadow fork went live recently on July 15th, hinting towards the migration to the proof of stake network is near. As per the soft schedule shared by this Ethereum developer, the merge is scheduled to take place on September 19th. In anticipation to this Ethereum's merge, Ethereum's price surged from $1,000 to $1,500 in the past week, which is a 50% rally. Now what we have to watch closely here is whether the price is able to touch its next resistance at $2,000. Any weakness in Ethereum's price before those levels will reflect negatively in Ethereum's price action. And back in India, India's Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has reiterated the government's stand on cryptocurrency. The finance minister called for a crypto ban, but said that global collaboration is required for any such ban to be effective. In a written statement to the parliament, the finance minister iterated that both the government and RBI is of the view that cryptocurrencies should be prohibited. But no legislation is possible without significant international collaboration. Basically, if one country bans cryptocurrencies while the other one is not, then this ban means literally nothing, because all the cryptocurrencies and companies will simply move to a country where the crypto laws are favorable to them. While India advocated a ban on cryptos, the Australian Central Bank viewed negatively the centrally governed digital currency. The Australian bank chief believed that regulated private tokens will be better than the central digital currencies. He explained that the private sector is better than the central bank because it is better at innovating and design features for these tokens. He also said that there will be significant cost for the central bank for setting up a digital token. This comes at a time when we all know that countries like China, Europe and US are looking to build their own CBDCs, which will be digital currencies which will be regulated by government itself. In other news, Binance was fined over $3 million by Dutch central bank because apparently it continued to offer services in Netherlands without proper registration. However, Binance objected to this fine and has said that it has submitted for registration, which is being assessed by the central bank. The recent downturn in crypto markets has affected the NFTs market, and the biggest loser in the NFT market is the gaming NFT industry. The blockchain gaming NFT index in Ethereum is down by almost 59% from the beginning of this year. Blockchain gaming giant Axie Infinity saw a decline of 83% in its user base. Organic sale of gaming NFTs fell almost 29%, and price of in-game assets were also negatively affected due to the fall in many gaming-related cryptocurrency tokens such as Ethereum, Solana, etc. This comes at a time when blockchain gaming NFTs are looked at the next big thing after decentralized finance in 2017s and NFT markets in the 2020s. And FTX CEO batted for cryptocurrency's use case in the current digital world, where he went ahead to say that blockchain expertise can simplify funds, resolve inventory market flaws, and revolutionize social media. He stressed that cross-border funds transaction will become almost instantaneous with the help of cryptocurrencies. And the second thing, inventory buying and selling transactions. He gave the example of GameStop short squeeze, where the 2 day settlement period resulted in heavy losses to the retail investors. Whereas in case of cryptocurrencies, the settlement of securities which can happen in as less as 10 seconds. The CEO of FTX, Sam Bankman, argued that blockchain can make social media interpolable, that is, messaging throughout varied platforms. With the use of public chains, the relaying of messages from one social platform to a different one will be possible in future. Let's look at it in a simple way. Suppose you are an educator on YouTube where you put out educative content which is in a long form format. How about people on Instagram can like your videos and follow your content if they found you useful? This type of interpolability, that is cross-platform usage, is not possible currently. But with the help of blockchain, this will be infinitely easier to achieve. So that's it for today's guys. Thanks for watching. Do like the video and subscribe to us